Hello, welcome to the EagleSIX Airsoft test video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo HK416. So this one came in for service and yeah, generally making it better. Laylax locking ring was requested and Laylax trigger spring. Wanted new spring and service. So on this one we did all that, then got to testing stage and it was incredibly bad accuracy. So we stripped down the barrel, cleaned the barrel again, because obviously we do it as part of our service, and the problem was that it's been incredibly windy recently, so then it came around to testing and we tested it and it was really bad accuracy again. So it was like, oh no. So we then had to wait to another day, clean the barrel again. This time we obviously really sort of went to town on it, and put a new hop rubber on there and then retested. And it failed again, so like all this time keeps ticking away and stuff, and at that point we just fit a new barrel in there. So obviously it was we didn't really want to have to replace one barrel for another barrel, but well, like I say, it was not meeting our criteria for pass mark, if you know what I mean, on the accuracy. So we replaced the barrel and then it passed straight away. So yeah, we obviously had to balance up time spent and lost, with the repeated testing versus simply fitting a new part, so yes, it costs money, but the results spoke for themselves, obviously, once we then tested it with the new part in there. So yeah, unfortunately, there's probably like a bit of burned on, BB or something inside it, or I even ordered an endoscope, for just going down the barrel just to see it. I couldn't see where it was marked or damaged, but yeah, the results, like I say, are the results. So it's got a new blowback bar on here, Laylax Trigger Pin, Laylax castle nut, EagleSIX M100, and a Prometheus 275mm barrel and a new hop rubber. So that's where we're currently at with this build in terms of parts, and like I say, then rebuild and service, and then now we're ready for testing. So we get 347 on 0.2s and 266 on 3.2s. That's with hop rubber set for shooting 65 meters. So yeah, really good result, decent FPS, certainly better than what it was before then. Replacing this little bit with a 3D printed one on here, but it's not fantastic in its operation, but hopefully you get on alright with it. A slight improvement maybe. Cool, right, yeah, hopefully everything's all done and what you're after. Obviously we'll put the specifications in the description for the video, and yeah, any problems let us know, but otherwise we'll see everyone else in the next video. Thank you.